What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to today's video. We actually have an interesting video to start. As you know, I recently bought a brand new mic system, this Highland Mark 1 or Lark 1 or something like that. Really gassed up to use it, and then when I was watching back the footage, I'm like, man, this sounds goofy. But I just thought maybe it was because of the camera. Then when I'm editing, I realized everything sounds off. I compared to old footage from last year, and I was like, wait, my audio's completely off. So I look, and I'm trying to use this new mic system, nothing's working. Come to find out, I'm pretty sure the audio jack in this camera is completely shot. So the last few videos, I've had to shoot with just the mic built in, and no mic system or anything like that. When I looked into getting it fixed, that wasn't an option just because it was just as expensive. So I had to make the tough call and buy a brand new camera. I felt like an idiot because here I was thinking, getting so excited about buying a brand new mic system and upgrading. And then I felt embarrassed and dumb because I was like, yo, I don't know how to use this apparently. We have found our solution. I bought a refurbished Canon EOS Mark II, M50 Mark II. So you can see right there, let's see if it shows up. See right there? So this is the essentially like a slightly upgraded version of the camera I'm currently using. And I just bought the body because I'm gonna continue to use this wide angle lens, obviously. I got the brand new camera, came with a charging pack, battery, and all that good stuff. So now I'm going to get this booted up, turned on. We will switch over to this camera. My embarrassing story, here I was thinking this brand new mic system worked, and it did not, and my camera was broken. So now I had to spend a bunch of money to get a new one. But as Max Schuning always says, with a good positive attitude and more money, anything can be fixed. So here we are, the EOS M50 number 1 is done, and let's get this all hooked up and test this out to see if it finally works. Oh yeah, also. Let's go. Oh man, what a relief. This microphone system now finally works. Sounds very loud, so I might actually have to turn down my volume because we talk super loud. But I'm absolutely gassed up. Let me show you also the thing. I don't think I showed you what the thing was in the Amazon package. What's in the box? Let me show you. It is bada boom, bada bing. We now have a camera case on this bad boy. Nice and yellow. Oh, fix yourself. There we go. But yeah, so this is just in case. I dropped this because I have multiple times before, but this is our new setup. We're gonna be the loudest in the room because that's what we do. Shout out to Custom Creations by the Catterson girl. Got a nice little Mamacita shirt. These are upgrades, and I gotta show you the Anaka drop that I purchased the other day. It's like, I think they're season 14 or something. I hate when people use seasons as a part of their stuff, but hey, to each their own. But I'm absolutely gassed up. Pops, the mic works. He's super excited. Oh, here we go, season 14 drop. I used Code Italian to support our guy, Marco. If you guys don't know Marco, the Jack Italian. I wonder how loud that is now on the mic. Copped a shirt and a pair of shorts, because I can't lie, Anaka's got some absolute gas when it comes to their shorts. But we copped the extra large Anaka Power. This is like a cream color with the gorilla, high key. Obviously, I love American traditional tattoos. So that gorilla has a real American traditional look to it, so I'm like a sucker for it. And then here are the shorts, some purple lightning bolts. Oh, these aren't, kind of wish they were on the back too. There's no lightning bolts on the back, a little lame. Other than that, I also copped an XL in these, because you know, we're growing here. These thick thighs of mine, doesn't look like it, but they are. That was the cops from that drop. Our microphone is officially upgraded. I'm so happy because now I didn't waste a bunch of money on a microphone that I can't use. I had to go waste a bunch of money on buying a new camera. Now for the rest of this video, we are gonna break down how to meal prep properly, efficiently, for massive amounts of quantities of food, and it's just gonna be a good time. So I will see you guys in the kitchen. Back in the kitchen, we hit a quick arm workout, Wen did some grocery shopping, and now we are in the kitchen of the Parentals, getting ready to cook all the food for this week. Now the main purpose of this video is to show people just how easy it is to bulk cook your food in mass quantities to get you ready to meal prep for an entire week. Everybody always acts like it's some daunting task, and at first it is if you've never done it. However, this is a quick, easy way to show you that it's not as bad as you think, and it's actually super easy. because I can do it. And if I can do it, anyone can do it. So we're actually gonna start with our chicken here, okay? All you need, this is the way I like to do it. This week I'm feeling some hot sauce. You can do barbecue sauce as well. And there's even recipes you can slow cook chicken with. But here we go. The first step, you're gonna take your sauce. Boom, 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 boom. A nice little base layer there on your bottom of your slow cooker thingy. Lighting, somewhat. Anyways, next. And we're doing this in real time because I want you guys to see just how incredibly easy this is. It's not, we're gonna get this done. I'd say we're a minute into this clip. Less than 10 minutes, calling it now. Less than 10 minutes. You guys ready for this? Here we go. So after we get that base layer in there, we're gonna grab our first chicken breast, plop her in there. Take a second one, plop her in there next. More sauce. We like to keep it saucy up in her. So again, now we're just going till you cover that chicken. Lighting, sort of, yes, no. It's moving around in there, but you get the general idea. Next, we're grabbing another layer of chicken. And I know you're like, say what? And I'm like, say yeah. So here we go. We got another breast in there. We're sauced up. This is why you always buy 2 bottles, because you want to keep it extra saucy. So now, after we're all sauced up, we're gonna throw in 2 more breasts. Now, here we go. Ready? We got 1 full bottle. We're just drenching this bad boy. Super sloppy. Boom. Next. Now all of our chicken's in here, right? Yep, all of our chicken's in here. We're all sauced up, sauced out. We're gonna walk on over here to our slow cooker. This might be the part where I need to edit. Nope, good enough. Oh, so here we are. We take our pot o' chicken. Oh, we're gonna turn this bad boy on, and we're gonna come to our slow cook setting. We're gonna turn it on for 5 hours, and guess what? Now your chicken's gonna get cooked for the next 5 hours, and you don't have to worry about it at all. Did you hear the beep? And even guess what? Once it's done, if you're not here to shut it off, it's gonna put it in keep warm mode, and you can come shut it off later. Like, what a beautiful concept, am I right? I'm right. So that's how we're getting our turkey wow. That's how we're getting our chicken cooked up and cooked out. We're done with that. Next, we're gonna cook our ground turkey. So what we're gonna do first, I'm gonna move you here. Boom, I'm moving you here. There you go. Welcome to the new spot. We're gonna grab our fattest, biggest pan. Sweet Caroline. Ooh. Let's get all this out of our way. Oh. One important thing you really need to remember when you are getting ready to bulk cook your food is your quantities you eat. So for example, if I eat 6 ounces of cooked ground turkey every day, I need to make sure that I'm buying enough of this ground turkey to last me all 5 days, 6 days, 7 days. So for me, that's 3 pounds of ground turkey. Bada boom, bada bing. All right, here, take our 0-calorie spray. We coat the pan ever so lightly. Next, take your seasoning of choice. We're gonna be twerking with, Flavor Bomb Burger by Weber. Let's see it. Bada boom, bada bing. Flavorful. We're going to Flavor Town, brother. That was like Randy Savage meets, what's his name? Guy Fieri. So now we got our nice coating right here. Boom. Next, where's my knife? Oop. Not as cool. Anyways, pop her open. And now we're gonna just plop it down. Look at that, 1. I'm gonna get this going now. A nice light simmer, as they say. And obviously you're gonna wanna, kind of spread this around so you can actually fit all of your turkey on here in your pan. Again, also having like a big enough pan, super importante. So make sure you have a big enough pan to fit whatever pounds and gallons and, you can't cook in gallons. Pounds and grams of food you need cooked. All right, so now, last package. And we're plopping her down yet again. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Boom, 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 boom. So these are now done. And look at that, it is, I gotta look at this clip time. We're 6 minutes into this clip with all my mistakes, and we're already 2/3 of the way done, with the last thing being right now. And that last, look, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm that confident. I'm that confident. Oh yeah, let's get a lid on this. You know what I'm saying? I need to find a big enough lid. Found her. There she blows. So boom, that's right there like that. Next, last but not least, we're gonna cook some arroz, otherwise known as rice. Again, big pan guy. Ooh, butter. So now what we're gonna do, again, take your 0 calorie spray, bada boom, bada bing. Nice little layer there. You can season it now, you can wait till later. I always wait till later. So next what I need is a measuring cup. And I'm going to cook 3.5 cups of rice because that is the perfect quantity to last me actually like about 7 days. So when you're cooking 3.5 cups of rice, you're gonna need 7 cups of water because 3.5 times 2 is 7. So we're gonna get 4 cups in here like that. Bada boom, bada bing. We're gonna turn on this heat now because we wanna get this water boiling. Next, our last 3 cups to get us to our 7 cup total. Bada boom, bada bing. And now we just wait for the water to boil. How simple. Look at that, we are already done. We're 8 minutes into this clip with mistakes and all, and we have 3 out of 3 things ready to go, cooking, bulk prepped for the week. You can't beat that. You can't. All right, Future Chico here. I accidentally didn't turn on the mic, therefore all the audio in this clip didn't get recorded. However, I'm doing it now. So let me explain to you what I'm telling you in this clip. What I'm doing is once the water reaches a complete boil, or measure out my 3.5 cups of rice dry, and I then take it and I pour it directly into our pot. Once I did that, I then turned the heat on the stove to low, and then I seasoned this rice with salt and pepper. Once it's seasoned and ready to go from that perspective, we then went ahead and stirred it up and to make sure nothing's sticking together, clumping together, because who likes clumpy rice? The answer, nobody. Once we got it all stirred up and declumped, I then proceeded to put a lid on this, and now I put a timer on for 20 minutes, and I don't have to worry about the rice for 20 minutes now, and it makes it so easy. And once this is done cooking, for the 20 minutes, we get about 30 meals of rice, and you can't really beat that. Minimal prep time, total probably 30 minutes between waiting for the water to boil and to get the actual rice in there and cooked is the other 20 minutes. So 30 minutes and you get 30 meals. You can't beat that, guys. All right, our timer's now off. Bada boom, bada bang. We're gonna shut off our rice. We'll set you guys down, take a look at her real quick there. Oh yeah, best time of best times. So let's pop it off. Ooh, that is a steamy, but look at that. An entire pot full of rice right here. This is now ready to go. I like to break it up like this in order to then let it cool a little bit longer and quote unquote cook a little bit longer because of all the steam that's in here. So just break it up like that, bada boom, bada bing, we're good there. I'm gonna let that chill for a little bit, and then that's just ready to go straight into our bulk container for the week. I mean, you can't beat that. And let's check on these ground turkey right here. Oh, look at that. Same amount of time too, our ground turkey's getting cooked. And you're just like, what? I'm so productive right now? And I'm just like, yeah, you are, don't forget it. So in the span of about 30 minutes, we were able to get all of our ground turkey cooked for the week, all of our rice cooked for the week, and all of our chicken cooked for the week. Whenever you're thinking to yourself of getting into meal prep and you're like, man, that's so much food to cook, A, I recommend bulk cooking everything. B, remember, it doesn't take as long as you think, and if you just plan everything out correctly, it will be the easiest process ever. So now I don't have to worry about anything other than packaging all the food the night before each day of work. Because when you are a professional in a corporate setting, time management is so key, especially when you want to meal prep, be in fitness, you know, compete in powerlifting, bodybuilding, whatever. I've done this for 7 years now, and this is the most easy, basic way to do things
keeps it simple, keeps you accountable, leaves you with no excuses, because at the end of the day, excuses just delay the results you're going for. But that is gonna be it for this week's video. Our turkey's done, our rice is done. In 5 hours, our chicken's gonna be done. But we are now cooked up and cooked out for the entire week, and it only took us 30 minutes. Like, you cannot beat that. If you tried out any of these tips, let me know below, leave a comment. I'd really like to hear your guys' feedback, and let me know any other ideas you have for future videos or any other tips you'd want me to, potentially leave for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, drop that comment, subscribe to the channel, share the video with a friend, and turn on the post notifications. You guys know the deal. But more importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.